everybody. Ow. Got a sore wrist today for some reason. djalkaline. I'm a new subscriber of yours. You seem to have a lot of friends in common with me. And just saw Rich's Master 212's VR, and I didn't want him to be the last one. So, here's the deal. My father was into guns, and so I was brought up with guns. And I shot, had guns, until I was about 30 years old. And my house burned. I lost all my guns except for my Winchester 190, and I kind of lost interest. So anyway, last year, I was talking to my dad. They just moved to town from the country, from their farm, and he said something about his pistol. And I said, oh, you're Smith & Wesson. He said, no. He said, my 380. I said, you got a 380? And he said, yeah. I said, when did you get a 380? I said, I don't know, was it 10 years ago or something? I said, okay. I said, can I see it? So anyway, we went in the bedroom, and were looking at it, and I unloaded it. And I said, boy, that's hard to cock, hard to rack the slide on. And my dad, he's in his 80s now, and not as strong as he used to be, obviously. And I said, can you even cock this gun, Dad? And he said, well, of course. And he couldn't. Well, he says, that's okay. He said, I've still got my 9mm. I said, you have a 9mm? He said, well, yes, I've had it for a long time. So I've never seen it. So, went out and got it, and he couldn't cock it either. So, he decided it was time to trade these guns off, and he wanted a .22 revolver. Well, long story short, I got into this trading with him, for him, with some friends, and I ended up selling one of his guns, selling the 380, and trade the 9mm, which was a Stallard Arms, which is really just one step up from paperweight. So maybe not even a step up. So anyway, it was all very convoluted. The buckmark came in on the deal. I ended up with the buckmark. Dad couldn't cock it. My Taurus Model 94 revolver, I ended up with that. Dad couldn't cock it. Finally got him a Ruger 2245 that he could handle. And so he and I started shooting, and had a great time. And I was, about 4 mags in. I said, God, I'd forgotten how much fun this was. And that's how my love for firearms got rekindled just a year ago. And what a wasted 2 decades, huh? But the gun that really and truly got me fired up was this one right here, my Glock 19. I love this gun. I have more fun with this gun. It's just a wonderful gun. I love it. And anyway, that's my story. And congratulations. I think this is a 200 sub contest, and you've got like 350 subs now. So congratulations to you. You're gonna have to do a 500 sub contest next week. So you better get on it. Good luck to everybody in the contest, and good luck with your channel. Be safe.